Hi, in this video I will show you how to get the Runaway Aurora filter on the TikTok. So the process is pretty simple. So it's a trending filter on the TikTok. To do this you have to first of all open your Instagram mobile application, and after that go to the discover button and search for it, and in the search bar you have to search for the Renault, and once you will search for it you will see this profile. You have to tap on it. First of all you have to follow this creator of this filter, and you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, now scroll up and search for the Aurora filter. So it's here, you have to tap on it. Now you have to click this button, and after that click on the try it. So once you will click on it, now you can shoot a video on it by using your face. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.